Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back after a long, I think that's like a year span of me not doing anything. And there's like a bunch of stuff that's going on right now. So we're gonna head over to Styling because that's where my car is now. We're going to fit the body kit. So yeah, I mean, I guess I'll let you know when I'm there because I'm not gonna do a 40-minute drive with no music, so. Had to make a quick shawarma delay, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. All right, we're finally here. Just grabbing all my shit. Now we just gotta wait for Omar to get here. And we can get this thing started, you know? Yeah, here's Carl's car. Here's mine. I got an S14 now. Full Works 9 kit. Veronica working over there. This thing still doesn't run. Of course not.
What are you doing?
Waiting for Omar. Let's go find Carl.
IEDL.
He's doing grown-up stuff right now. We'll not bother him right now. Yeah, we're gonna mock the body kit up today. Boss man's finally out. He's done doing grown-up stuff. We're gonna mock the body kit up today. We did like a little, just like kind of put the kit on there last time we were here. It looked really cool, but now we just need to do some trimming and then we're just gonna mount it all on there. Here's the cool gauges that we put on my dash. I'm not putting that on there.
Remember, guys, keep safe.
Yeah, hey, this is so he doesn't get corona in there,
Right.
you know? Gotta protect, always wear your mask.
Demonetized.
Yeah, right. Fresh work wheels, thanks to Toge Factory. If anyone is looking for a kit or anything, I did get my kit off of Mastermind US. What the fuck? This guy has fucking shit off the foot. A quick little Chipotle break. Hour late. Omar's finally here.
It was so yummy.
I put it in there back
Now time to start getting this thing going, huh? OEM corner lights. Sheesh. I didn't mean to, I just dropped it. I got all the goodies, you know? Dremel action. Oil filter remover. Little light, you know? Fuck it, we got everything to fit this kit, right? Yeah. Fucking coffee going. Ah, you fucking bitch! This guy with his emo ass music. He's hurting inside. Look at this radiator is sitting like shit. Yeah, so disassembly the whole front end. Rear bumper, we already took care of that the other day, so nothing too crazy. We just gotta trim a little bit here, trim a little bit there, pop some holes in, you know, so we can use the OEM hardware. S14s use this really weird thing. It's like these prongs that come out of here, and just kind of screw it in. Mount to like right here. It's got decent. Bolts are already done. Yeah. I guess we'll throw a little time lapse in here, something like that. I don't really know what else to go over today. We're marking where we want this thing to go at. It sucks I fucking cracked this already somehow. Fuck that up. Sick. This video is gonna be really weird to film. I don't have anyone to like take over the camera. Me and Omar kind of be like doing all of this. Stacy's mom has got it going on, dude. You know that shit. That's Ben though. Last time we were here, we did put this radiator in. We need to get different stays for this. It's really all we got going on. Shop's pretty much gonna handle most of this right now. All the wiring, and hopefully this thing's going, man. I'm super hyped. We're a lot closer than we were last time I left off on this videos, but whatever, man. Trial and error. Yeah, we gotta take a little Harbor Freight run. Omar waterlogged all his bits for his Dremel, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Look at this guy, the fucking guy. Look at him go. Bag secured. Now back to the shop. Whoa. Jesus. It's a fucking hole right there, dude.
That's a hole of fire.
That might be a hole, honestly. Dang. Look at that. This side align with a little zip tie boy.
It's all good right there.
What's that?
It's bumper straight.
It looks like it. There's like a little space over here though, by the right here.
Just it. We had that type perfect. Make it perfect again. You gimbal a little too cumbersome, dog?
Front bumper's on. We decided to like just put the hood on just to make sure like my engine wasn't touching anything. No gaps, nothing, dude. This thing like kind of looks like a car right now. The only problem is I don't have that hood latch. I kind of took it out and kind of locked the hood. Yeah, so we're gonna have to figure that out in a little bit, but. Headlights are on, corner lights are on, grill is on. Dude, this thing's... Sheesh. This thing hasn't needed too much. The rear bumper was our like main concern because we had to take off this crash bar right here, this area, the affected area right there. And we'll probably switch to just like a tubular one, but this thing fits really nice. There's literally no hardware in any of these side skirts or anything. As soon as this is riveted on, this will fucking suck right up. These are literally just temp down with the door just closed on it. Same thing, you know? It's looking pretty good. Carl, when are you getting your kit, dude? When you getting your kit, Carl?
What is it? November 20.
3/4 of the car, you know, pretty dang good. Now, just these mounting points for the bumpers kind of fucked. I don't know what's going on. Gotta heat it up. It's kind of warped a little bit. I had to bend this bracket a little bit. I don't know. Not really too impressed with what's going on with Works 9, but what can you expect? It's fiberglass, I guess. Not everything can be a winner, you know?
Not like me, you know?
No. Yeah, I guess we'll step back in when we kind of put this thing on. We got this side all good. This one's decent, so almost there. Almost. Kit fits pretty good though. Little headaches on this rear bumper, but it all fits pretty good. We're gonna riv nut everything on. Really nothing's connected. It's really all just kind of trimmed and ready. These have like just zip ties on each side. Yeah, I didn't really get to post a picture or a video and get to put the wheels on, but we're getting out of here. Thank you, Omar. The kit master over here. I also got these cool little Louvers doodads. They light up Sylvia. They go behind the like inside the car, so these won't be sticking out, but they look pretty cool. Also got my seats over here. I went with Recaro this time instead of Brides. I think I went with Recaro, like S1 or SP1 areolas or something like that, whatever the hell you want to call them. Brand new fabric from Recaro, all nice and pretty. The back is sick. All glitter back. Trying to do everything pretty period correct on this car. All 90s junk, you know. Everything from the gauges, the interior. Haven't gotten the steering wheel in yet. Everything's pretty far on back order. But I don't think I'm going to film me doing anything with this car for a while, because I'm actually going to be dropping this off, like I said earlier in the video, next week. So it's going to be getting out of here, hopefully getting a run. Hopefully getting this thing started. I'm tired of this thing sitting, just being a huge paperweight everywhere it goes. And then after that, who knows, maybe off to paint, or maybe I might let it sit for another year, whatever. But I do plan on making videos with like dirt bikes and just really more vlog style videos. It doesn't even have to be like us actually doing anything. It'd just be me and the boys hanging out, just being funny, I guess, and doing stupid stuff. So stay along. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.